Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first go to recovery options. So first method is press the shift key, hold and then click to restart, but don't release your shift key. And second, continue press turn off your system, your laptop and desktop, which is 3 times. And after 3 times means 4 times it will come the automatic repair, and then click to advanced options, then troubleshoot and then advanced options. Okay, so you have to repeat 3 times. Turn off, then again turn on, then turn off, then again. 4 times it will come the advanced recovery options, and after that I give you the troubleshoot steps, so which is you follow and resolve your issue. So next, then click troubleshoot, advanced option, and then command prompt. So first command sfc space slash scan now, and then hit enter. So it will start like percentage. So when it is complete, then try to second one. Then next command, boot rec space slash fix mbr. Okay, then next, boot rec space slash scan os, hit enter. So wait few seconds to complete. Now successfully is completed. Then next, boot rec space slash rebuilt cd. Okay, then next, this is many command to resolve this your system issues. So last, chk dsk, no space, chk dsk space c column space slash f space slash r, and then hit enter. So it will start. Okay, so might be this is the 4 to 5 phase. Now you can see this is the first phase. So this is deeply investigate what your system, if any critical, if any corrupted Windows files, bad sector and all. Okay, then next, so wait for this all the completed, then try to next step. Then it is completed, and then close it. Then again click to troubleshoot, then advanced option, then click to system restore file. Okay, so this is system restore, and then next it. Okay, select this is any older one, and then next. Okay, and next to, then restart your system. Okay, so this is very simple, and after that you will click on continue to, it will start. And you also uninstall, this is latest update. If you are confused about this, so you are, suppose you receive any new update from the Windows, and after that you are getting issue, so you can uninstall the Windows update. Otherwise click on continue Windows 11. Okay, after that you can see it is start. Okay guys, thank you.